My name is Peter Illingsworth. I'm the owner of the Lord's Chamber Barbers here in Holmfirth, West Yorkshire. And today I'm going to be talking about Captain Fawcett's Classic Pomade. So I've been in the industry for 24 years. I've used every product there is to name. Captain Fawcett's Classic Pomade is one of my favourite products within the Captain Fawcett's range, just because of the high definition, the high shine that it produces. You can use it on most of the hair types, from curly hair to straight hair. It doesn't weigh any of the hair down when you're using the product. My clients really comment on the fragrance of the product itself. Personally, it is one of my favourites. Although it's a pomade, it is highly versatile. It can be used in curly hair without creating frizz. I tend to use it in pompadours and classic cuts, such as the side part, the sharp finishes. I can also put a tiny little bit in damp hair and use it to blow dry into the hair before applying it to style. One of the benefits of Captain Fawcett's Classic Pomade is it's water soluble. It's not petroleum based. What this means is it washes out of the hair with minimum effort. It also adds a little bit of moisture to the hair, so if you suffer with dry hair or anything like that, it will literally add a little bit of moisture to the hair and keep it really looking good for the rest of the day. So how we apply the pomade is to use a small amount on the end of your finger. We then work this through the palm of the hands to give you an even coverage. Work it through the hair. The best way to explain it is to put it in like you're shampooing the hair. This gets it to the roots, which is where the hold is. Just applying to the tips is no good. You need to work it through the hair. And then I used an afro comb. This allows me, the long teeth of the afro comb, to penetrate from the root to the tips and pull the pomade through the hair, allowing for extra height and lift. So when it says on the tin, apply to damp hair, personally, I don't tend to do this, and the reason for this is when I've just spent time blow drying height into a style, then apply the product to dry hair. This allows me to maintain the height, the lift. Put it into damp hair, you can use the pomade into damp hair to create a blow drying agent. Rather than different products, you can do all the styles with one product.